Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable USB debugging on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back and tap on System. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Developer Options. Now from here, just scroll down and just enable this toggle to enable USB debugging. Now just tap on OK. And this is how you can enable USB debugging on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.